Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. If this is your first time here, you are welcome. Hope you all are doing great. Today I'm going to be making plantain fufu with green plantains. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe, like, share and put on the bell notification button so that you know when I upload video. Let's get started. I will start by rinsing my plantains. Now I'm going to show you how I peel my plantain. I'll cut the ends of it. Then slice the skin with my knife from top to down. Then take it out. I will cut it into smaller pieces. After that, I will rinse it. Now I will pour water inside the blender. I will put the cut plantains inside the blender. Cover with the lid. Then blend it until I get a smooth paste. I will pour the blended plantain into the pot. Then stir it round. I will keep stirring it round until I get a smooth dough. Now cover with lid, reduce the heat and leave it to simmer for 2 minutes. It's up to 2 minutes now. I will stir it round for the last time. So guys, this is the end result of how I make my plantain fufu. If you enjoy this recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and put on the bell notification button so that you know when I upload video. Everything I use will be down in the description box below. Thanks for watching. God bless you. See you guys next time. Bye.